Specifically to meet and exceed the most demanding military standards, this severe duty level electric powered winch and its control box from DK2 Warrior are IP68 rated to deliver reliable performance you can count on even in the most extreme climates and temperatures. The DK2 Warrior T1000 synthetic rope line pull is rated at 22,000 pounds. And our revolutionary external brake is specifically designed to ensure that there's no critical heat buildup in the drum, making the brake more capable of lowering and holding a vital load than standard brakes. We've incorporated hardened 3-stage planetary gears into the Warrior T1000 winch for reliability and efficiency, and a special lithium grease ensures that you'll get smooth operation no matter what the temperature. The entire winch is covered in a chemical and corrosion-resistant powder coat to give it extra protection against the elements. Heavy-duty wired and wireless remote included as standard gives you the ultimate control to push this winch to the limits. With the stainless steel mounting hardware, this Warrior T1000 is ready to go in no time. Rooted in the belief that our business can and should have a positive impact on the communities we serve, our team's focus is always the satisfaction of our customer. From point of purchase to lasting performance, our trained customer service team and support technicians are by your side every step of the way. Forge your own path with DK2.